So I have a problem with this Samsung Wave I found. Hang on, let me just take the battery out. So I don't know if there's anything wrong with the battery or something. I'm just going to take it out. Samsung Wave, I don't know if you can see that, GTS8500. And for some reason, when I try and turn it on, put it open the light, it just won't turn on. And before you say probably just the battery's dead, I'll prove to you because when I get the charger, it only charges. As you can see, there's the battery icon right there. It doesn't matter what I do. There's only one real thing I can really do with it. Because look, the battery's nearly full. Been charging it all night. It was working a couple of times, but it doesn't always work. Now the only thing I can really do, I'll show you in a minute, is get it into download mode. So, oh, and I can get it to do like a blue screen. Install, and then there you go. And then I can get it into download mode, and that's all I can really do with that. It's kind of sad because I was planning to install Android 4.4, I think it is, on this phone, and then probably use it for actually some potential. But I guess I can't. So if you guys could help me with this, that'd be really nice, and I will see you all later.